What is your name and your age?
My name is Jocelyn Malachenko, 34 years old. I'm 34 years old. Uh,
Are you single or married?
I'm a widow. I'm a widow now. I have son 12 years old. I have son 12 years old.
Alright.
I
Do you have experience working as domestic helper before?
Yes, I working here in Philippines October 2013 and to May 2014.
Alright. Can you explain what is your experience or how do you work as a domestic helper?
I have a chicken baby all around. I cleaning, washing. I take care the baby 2 years old, 5 years old to 3 years old, 7 years old. The 7 years old I take her to I morning I wake up 3 o'clock morning, and then I mop floor, and then I washing, and then I cooking for the food of kids, and then I wake up the kids, and then I go shower with the kids, and then I give food. I bring to school, finish, and then I bring to school after lunch. After lunch, I pick up the kids, and then I give food again, and then I bring back again in the school, and then afternoon I pick up again, and then if the kids he said we go with play, yeah I do, and then
Okay.
yes.
Okay, you just mentioned that you cook for your employer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what type of food do you cook for your employer?
Chicken tinola, adobo, sinigang, fried chicken.
Okay. So can you explain how do you cook pork adobo or chicken adobo?
First, I wash the chicken. I wash the garlic, onion, and then finish. I put the casserole and gas stove, and then I put cooking oil, and then after I put the garlic, onion, and then I put the chicken, and then I wait to 5 minutes, and then I put the water, and then I wait 20 minutes.
Okay. And finally, what is your message to your future employer?
Mom, sir, I'm here. I apply to work. I promise I'm a good employer. I have a good attitude. I'm a good attitude, and I promise I do all my best to work hard. I'm a working hard. I promise to you.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.